It's a new day. It's a new day. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, I am SK. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Told y'all I was gonna push these videos out. I'm trying to actually vlog most days in October, not every single day, but I'm like, you know what, since I'm in the mood and everything, I'm feeling positive, all those things. So yeah, I'm actually about to go to the clinic because I've been meaning to pick up these creams for River and Rain. River is in the car, by the way, but I've been meaning to pick them up for them. Why am I here looking like this? I had on the hoodie, y'all, because today is not a great day. As you can see, it is not a great day. This morning was just so crappy. Oh my gosh, when I walked out, it was raining. It was just so gloomy, and it's still gloomy. It's just not raining right now, and I'm like, oh, makes me miss summer already. But you know, hey ho. Guys, I just went on TikTok. So 2 days later, I remember I posted that video telling you guys about what's been happening on TikTok with the situation with Rain's car seat and stuff like that. If you can see it, it's just right in the middle anyway, but she's not with me, she's home with Sean. But the video, guys, got over 200,000 views now, and people donning me in them comments. So obviously the video, like, it's a mixture of positive and negative comments and stuff like that, but you know, I don't mind that. And obviously I know that the car seat was not secured properly, and I get that, which I did like videos explaining and showing that it's now correctly fitted and yada yada yada. But it's just so crazy, you know. It just brings me to, like, you know, when you get viral moments, it comes with like the good and the bad, and you just have to be ready for that, basically. I'm coming for you, Riv. Yeah, we just have to always be ready for that. It's like, are we ready for that sort of thing? I am, because I'm tough. I don't take a lot of things on. And people criticizing, I don't know, I'm strong, I guess you can call it that. Hold on, Riff. I guess you can call it that. Like, I'm tough. Certain things don't get to me. The internet can't make me cry or run me away from the internet, run me away from Riff, or like run me away from being on YouTube and TikTok and all that stuff. Like, I'm good, like, we good. But Kayla went to her old school, y'all, to see if she can look for her old teacher, which was her favorite teacher. So she always trying to go there, but we got out here in this area like quite early, so she gonna see if she see him and just meet me back by the car and stuff. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go to the pharmacy. Oh my gosh, the pharmacy is so full though. Watch your one knocking. You don't have to knock. Come on, Rivi. Guys, I'm here at, I don't know where ShéKayla is, but I got her at the pharmacy, and now I am here looking for ShéKayla. ShéKayla is still at the school. She's not answering her phone, so I'm like, okay, let me just take a walk then and see. Rivi, this used to be ShéKayla's old school. Yeah, I don't know where she is. I haven't walked through this schoolyard in years. Brings back memories though. I was through here every day. Yo, when you're picking up children, right, it's so different in England when you're picking the kids up from school, because you know, back in Anguilla especially, oh, there she is. She's talking to her teacher. Hold on 1 second. Hold one of these for me, because they're so heavy, these creams. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so as I was saying, that was so nice seeing him. He's actually having a ShéKayla, that his first child. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Her teacher, he's actually expecting a baby, he said, in November. That's so nice. He was just the best. So I was saying that, you know, back in Anguilla, even Jamaica, like, we didn't need parents to come and pick us up, but this is the school gate. It's always locked anyway, but it's open just because for children to come through. They're gonna close it in a minute. Yeah, but we didn't need children, we didn't need parents to come and pick us up. We could just leave. And when I tell ShéKayla those stories, like, yeah, when school is finished, we could just go home, or when it's lunchtime, we could leave the school and go and get some lunch. She's like, what? Because, you know, here they have like the cafeteria or whatever. They can go and sit down and eat. They can get cooked food, hot food, lunch, whatever, sandwiches, stuff like that. So yeah, and we have to pick them up. Like, they'll never, I think ShéKayla was only allowed to leave the class when she got into year 6, and I had to actually write that she has permission to walk home. I never used to allow her to walk home. She used to walk to the car, because standing up there by that gate, because that's what it's like. They're standing at that gate until it opens, because it's not opened throughout the day. It's locked, but it opens when it's time for them to come out of school, and then you walk through. So you're like standing there with the other parents even when it's cold, and then we have to actually go to the classroom door and collect them from the classroom. Yeah, I do like it though. Why this person park like this? They're so close to me. Look, this is my car and this is their car. Look, they park so close to their line, so we're super close, but at least I can get in. I don't think ShéKayla will be able to sit in the back. I don't think she'll be squeezing through this because that's very tight. Oh, let me drive forward so she can probably get in. Hold on. Yeah, let me drive forward. She can get in because she still wants to go in the back. Need to cook dinner. It's just after 4. Hopefully I can start dinner, probably be finished by 5:30 or something like that. So yeah, going home now. What's up, folks? The plantains ready to fry though. Did you check them? They're pretty. I just come back from the shop, y'all, and I got some pretty plantains. Sean's just there leaving. He was cooking. I actually went to get ShéKayla from school. And by the time I come back, now I'm back. I only made one stop by the shop to get some. These plantains pretty. Let me show y'all before they're just pretty. Oh my gosh, don't you just love when you can find pretty plantains like this? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But I don't know if they're ready. Babe, I think I'm gonna give them another day, huh? Yeah, because they look pretty, but I don't think they're quite ready. But yeah, by the time I come back, they're not ready. Let me show y'all dinner. Got some rice and peas in there, and Sean rice and peas. Shell off, like it's Shelly. Oh god, it's Shelly. And we got some brown stewed chicken in here. Gravy looking nice and thick. Got some carrot. What else is in there? Yeah, you put some carrots in there and stuff. This looks so good. Don't you just love when you have a partner, in my case a husband, that can cook? I am so happy that I have Sean that can just cook. Because I've been doing, to be honest, I've been doing like a lot of the cooking. Like sometimes there are like periods of time where Sean would do like a lot of cooking, especially like if he's off work for a while. Like if he took time off, like that's no problem to him to be in the kitchen cooking. But I think like for a whole week straight, like I've been doing all the cooking, and then today like he cooked. Which is great. And Sean, when I say he cooked fast, because I literally just went to get ShéKayla and I made one stop and dinner ready, but this turned down really low, but it is ready. I'm going to turn it off now and share it. And yeah, mad. Oh my gosh, honestly guys, I noticed today, like yeah, see I posted that chicken video though, that chicken shots. Welcome to those of you guys who are watching this vlog for the first time that's newly subscribed. Thank you so much for choosing to subscribe to the channel based on that shorts. So yeah, welcome. I welcome all like 200 of you for subscribing. I appreciate you already. Hope you stick around, you know, and watch the longer vlogs as well, not just the shorts. And yeah, it's a vibe over here on this channel. If you're unfamiliar though with the content and you're just familiar with the shorts that went, because the shorts have like more than 50,000 views actually, yeah, which is great. I've never had a shorts that actually got that many views. But yeah, if you're brand new here, I am SK and I vlog around my daily life with my family. I'm a mom of 3. I was born in Jamaica. I grew up on the small island of Anguilla. I moved there when I was 7. Then I moved back to Jamaica when I was 16, went to St. Jago High School, graduated, then moved back to Anguilla, and then now I'm in England. I've been living in the UK for 10 years now. So yeah, and I've got a 9-month-old baby, a 2-year-old toddler, and a 14-year-old, and a wonderful Jamaican husband. All right, now I'm gonna go share dinner now so we can eat, because I'm looking forward to eating this food right now, because I didn't even have a lunch per se. So yeah. Rivi, and here is Rivi. This is my sunny son. Yeah. You got a fish? Show them your fishy. What color is it?
Pink.
Yeah, and what's that? Is that your cup? Put the fishy in the cup. What's in the cup? Can I have some juice? Can I have some juice? Give me some. Give mama some juice. Is that apple juice?
I'm totally dying.
All right, I'm gonna go share some food with. So his name is River, by the way, if you're new here. That's my beautiful boy River, and I've been vlogging since, well, before he even existed. Yeah, anyways, food time. This is food, y'all. This is the food, and I've got this with it.